What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I have a very important strategy I want to share with you guys right now. If you look at my screen right now, you see that I am deeply in profit right now because of this simple strategy I used to find a very good entry on volatility 100 indices. This strategy works for both boom and crash, and it works on all time frames. So I am going to show you how this strategy works, guys. I'm going to show you how this strategy works, guys. It's so powerful, like it's so powerful. So let me show you how this strategy works, because very soon I should be exiting this trade. So let me show you how this scalping strategy works. You use it to scalp the market and make profit for yourself, guys. This strategy is so powerful. I am telling you for real, okay? I'm telling you for free. Now look at this. We have this indicator on the chart. We have this indicator on the chart, okay? So there are about two different indicators on the chart. We have number one, we have this very indicator here, the blue and the red indicator here. Then we have this other indicator here, this brown indicator here. You can see it. So what they do is that they show you where to buy and where to sell. Now with this very indicator, you do not need to start looking for much daily bias or anything like that. What you just need to do is come to your chart, wait for price, wait for this brown indicator to cross above this blue indicator here. And as soon as it crosses above it, wait for it to start dropping. As it crosses below it to drop, that's where you make your entry, okay? As it crosses below it to drop, that's where you make your entry. Now look at this. Let me show you with this arrow. Look at this point here. See how it crossed above this indicator here and drop, cross below again. So as soon as it crosses below it, you sell, okay? As soon as it crosses below it, you sell, and then you're going to sell till you're going to hold the sell until it now crosses below it like this, okay? So now that it has crossed below it, I'm going to take my profit. I'm going to take my profit here, okay? Now that it has crossed below it, I'm going to take my profit. This is so massive, guys. This is just how it works. It's so simple. Now I am going to show you guys the settings, but first of all, let me close this trade because this is my exit signal already. I sold here. Now price has come here, so I want to take my profits, okay? As you can see, I already took a lot of trades using this strategy, and all of them are in profits. But I'm particular about this vix100 index. That's what I'm showing you, this vix100 index. Now I want to close my profit, so I'm going to close all the profitable trades. They close positions, so I'm going to close positions. So I've closed them. Now you can see I've closed my positions. So this is a very powerful strategy, guys. So look at it. I sold at about this point here because I saw price. I saw this indicator cross below this one here, so I sold. And then when it came here, crossing below the red one here, that's where I took my profits. You can see this is so straightforward, guys. You just use this thing to scalp quickly, to stop the market for quick scalping. Just use this strategy for quick scalping, guys. Trade without delays. Quickly you take your profits and you are out of the market. No stress. That is the beauty of this strategy, guys. That is the beauty of this strategy. You don't have to stress yourself that much, okay? Just make quick profits and you are out of the market. So if you like this strategy, I think this strategy is good, please smash the like button for me and drop a nice comment on the comment box, okay? So let me show you the settings of these indicators. Let me show you the settings, okay? Let me show you the settings. Now let me take it again, how to use it. What you just need to do is wait for this indicator right here. This thing works on any time frame, guys. It works on any time frame. I actually took this one on the 5 minutes time frame, but I'm also showing you on the 1 minute time frame so you know it works. Look at where it crossed. Here. This is it, where it crossed above at this point, at about this point. So I could have also taken this trade at about this point. I could have taken this trade, entered this trade at about this point. Look at it here. I could have entered about this point. Here, somewhere here. That's where I would have entered this trade if I used M1. Okay? And I would have exited somewhere here. Here. That is somewhere. Let me see. About this point. This is it. Yeah. Somewhere here. So I would have exited the trade somewhere here. You see? So that would be more profit anyway. So that would be more profitable. But I used the M5 to enter this trade. And I still made a lot of profit from it. So guys, this is it. Just quick scalp. You can see, if you look at it, this is even an uptrend. This is even an uptrend, but we are still able to make money from it. So as soon as these confluences are met, as soon as these conditions are met, exit your trade. Okay, once price moves from here to here, once this indicator moves from here to here, exit your trade, especially if you're in an uptrend. If it's in especially if you are trading against the trend, just exit quickly, take your profit. But if you are trading with the trend, like here, at about this point, you could have even held more if you want. You see, at this point, take your trade till this point. If you held more, price will still go your way. So, but it's just best you exit your trade as soon as price gets to your take profit level. That's just it, guys. Look at, let me show you more examples. Look at this one here. Let me show you. Price crossed above here, and then you buy. Now look at it. You see, look at where price came here. And that would have been at about this. That would have been at about this level. That's just it. This strategy works so crazy. You can keep going back and seeing it. Look at it, guys. Here. Look at it, price crossed above here and now started dropping below. And that would have been here. You would have entered your trade immediately. Then wait as soon as price gets here. That is it here. Take your trade. And you are making a lot of profits. This is so crazy, guys. This is so wonderful. See, enough of all these losses from the market. Enough of all these losses. It's time to start cashing out. Look at it here. Price crossed above. As soon as the indicator crossed above, that would have been somewhere. I think somewhere here. Let me see. That would have been somewhere here at about this spot, exactly here. So this one would have given me a little of drawdown just from here to here, very small, and then boom, profit, and then as soon as it gets here, you exit the trade. You see, it's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. Look at another one here. Here, as soon as it started crossing below here, that would have been somewhere here. You take your trade, and as soon as it gets here, you exit. That's here. So much profit to be made from the market using this strategy, this very simple strategy. Okay, so let me now show you the what do you call it? Let me now show you the settings for this indicator. Good. So actually, let me say one thing. You see, this moving average here, we will not really use it much in this strategy. This moving average, don't really use it much. Okay, so we are not using this moving average. Just ignore it. Don't come and be asking me too much a question about moving average. Just ignore it. These are the ones we are using. These ones here, these ones are the indicator window. They are the indicators we are using. Okay, so let me now show you the settings. Like I said earlier, ignore the moving average. This moving average, ignore it. Now here are the indicators. First, you have the force index. Force index. So this is my setting. Period is 13. Method is simple. Volumes tick. Levels, forget about the levels, forget about all this one. Just come to the style. You can choose any color of your choice. Then that's it. You can choose any color of your choice. Then you can choose pixel. Okay, this is an iPhone. This is how it's going to show because I'm using an iPhone. So choose any pixel of choice. If it's Android, you're just going to see style, and then you see choose anything you want, any style you want, maybe 3 pixel. This is 1, here is 2, this other dot here is 3, then this last one is 4. So you choose any pixel you want. That's it, and you are done. Click done. You have it. So the next one is envelopes. This one, envelopes. So you click on envelopes, period 15, shift 0, deviation 5, method exponential, apply to close, forget about the levels and all this one. Then upper band, choose blue, and then choose the 4 pixel. Then lower band, I choose orange, can choose orange or red, anyone. Then the 4 pixel, right? Click done, and that's it. You see, price is still going in our way. Price is still going in our direction, in our favor. If I had continued holding, but it's good I close here. Just maintain, like, follow the rules. Okay, follow the rules strictly. Follow the rules strictly. Okay. All right. So that is just it, guys. Please like the video, smash the like button, and also subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And let me know where you're watching from in the comment box, okay? Let me know where you're watching from. Thank you, guys. Bye.